I hope it's not a problem. So today, as Yura mentioned before, we are announcing a number of cameras, quite a lot of Ixus and PowerShot models, and two new DSLR model with some lenses. So actually, starting with the digital small DSC cameras, the small digital compact cameras. All of them features our HS system, and basically HS system is our answer to that type of customer requirement. Take pictures easy, good and nice, good quality images also during the night shot. So HS system is, let's say, our unique feature built into DSC cameras, allowing all the people to really utilize, especially night, low light shot. The HS system is basically a combination of high sensitivity sensor and a very strong Digic4 image processor. So actually, these are, as a combination, provide noise-free images and the quality images. Also, the resolution of the sensor is lower, and this will all result in a higher dynamic range, less noise levels in images. So actually, when using HS system, you can, if you see the comparison between, I cannot really see too much about it, but even if using higher ISO settings on new HS camera, it gives better quality, higher quality images than previous models in low light conditions. So if you see the props, you see that there are details, less noise, the image is more sharp, and this is some unique feature coming back from our HS system. Also, HS system is giving you the possibility to get back the atmosphere of the picture. So in many cases, the camera won't switch on flash, so this will give you back the natural atmosphere of the scene. Also, HS system, because of the higher sensitivity, will provide you a possibility to shoot handheld images. You don't need a flash, the images won't get blurred. So it is all pointing towards the customer to get the higher quality images.